beauty, welcome back to my channel, and for those of you who are new here, welcome. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys a heatless wave tutorial using just basic items such as socks or a thin scarf, or maybe a bathrobe will do as well. The robe of the bathrobe, yeah, that one, and just some hair tie. I'll be showing you guys how I achieve these waves without using any heat. So without wasting any time, let's just get started with the video. So guys, all you will need is a comb, a pair of socks, a claw clip, 2 hair ties, and some serum. Now we are gonna start by sectioning our hair into a middle parting and then just combing through our hair. And after that, we're just gonna apply some hair serum. And I'm using the Levon hair care serum. First, let's put the sock on the center of your head and secure it with a claw clip so that it does not come off and fall off. Grab a section of hair at the top of your head about the size of a section that you would like to curl and twist it around the sock. Make sure you're not pulling the section too hard to the point that the hair at the top of your head is completely flat, because if you do it, it will be hard for you to get volume back at the base in the morning. After you twist the section around the sock, grab a section of the same size below it and join it with the previous section. Twist it around the sock again, making it tighter this time. The sections of hair after the first can be pulled tight around the sock, but the first needs to be a little loose so that you can have volume at the top. Continue doing this, grabbing a section, adding it to the previous one and twisting it around the sock until eventually it's all one thick section of hair. This is super simple, and if you try to overcomplicate it, it will turn out bad. So just stick to what I'm doing. And now this is the last section, so from this point, I'm just wrapping everything around the sock until I run out of hair. Keep twisting downwards and make sure no sections are overlapping before securing it with the hair tie. Now let's just repeat everything again on the other side.
I'm going to read this letter to you.
I'm going turning, keep holding me down. Yeah. 수면이로 비추는 이 세상을 봐. No. You can never know that. 너도 알잖아. 하늘은 언제나 열려있지. 왜 올려다보질 못해. 앞에만 보게. 하늘은 언제나 너의 등 뒤에. 예를 덮은 검은 거울에들이 나오래요. 마치 물을 삼킨 듯 답답한 속감정은 나를 대변하는 듯 작은 출렁임에도 어쩔 줄은 몰라 해요. 결의 모습 한편에 여사가 전환돼서 얼른 검은 곰팡이가 피어날 벌써까지 뿌리 내려버린 대로 걷어내야 죄는 마주워 결을 그거 내려봐라 결을 이건 너잘 깨러 슬픈 꽃이 겨눠 가까이 깊이 나를 대변해 내 모습 소환해 듯한 감정은 불을 부르면서 감각성의 꽃이 담은 마음 어린 검은 그릇 사이로 Yeah 빛을 뿜는 고리들 No, no, 눈을 수많은 번호 Yeah, 별을 스틸에 비추지 널 No, no 나의 강박이
Okay guys, we just did this. We're gonna see tomorrow's results. How it will turn out. Good morning guys. I'm just gonna start removing all the hair ties.
가져가고 똑같은 나도 원해 이겨내야지 all day 이겨내야지
After you've taken out the hair tie, gently unravel the hair. Do not try to pull everything at once. Untwist everything in the opposite direction that you twisted, section by section, like you're rewinding the process.
기분도 groomy 흐릿해진 시야 사이로 비춘 불 빛에 묽게 물들어 no. Spread out normal 전부 내요 Spread out normal 뱉어 내요 세상.
After we remove the socks, we can start by separating the curls, which will loosen up. You can fluff it out however you like it. Now let's just flip our hair. These are the waves. That is it for today's video. If you liked this video and enjoyed it, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also leave a comment down below if you've tried this tutorial and let me know how it turns out for you. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and turn on those post notifications as I upload videos every single week. So guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.